Hello everyone, my name is Scott Sorensen and I'm the Vice President of Sales and Marketing for BEGA North America. Welcome to this brief overview of BEGA's newest catalog. Containing innovative new products, many family extensions, and the revitalization of a few old favorites, we are thrilled to be launching 70 new fittings across 29 different families with the release of BEGA Exterior Catalog 21. And I'd like to share some of the highlights with you here today. Catalog 21 includes a wide range of exterior solutions offering excellent performance, and as you've come to expect from BEGA, manufactured with the highest quality materials and processes. Today we're going to highlight just a few of them, beginning with some exciting new additions to our pedestrian scale area lighting range, both bollards and light building elements. We want to provide a status update for the redesign of BEGA's recessed wall offering, originally rolled out in June of last year. From there, we'll take a look at two new additions to our facade illumination capabilities and conclude discussing a new distribution to our large-scale architectural floodlighting family. Affectionately known as the Lego bollard here at BEGA, this timeless design has been with us for decades and is now optimized with the latest in LED technology. Aesthetically, you'll quickly notice the scale of the upper housing, where the light engine resides, has been reduced to complement an already minimalist design. Even with less space, we were able to add a second distribution to provide more flexibility in the design process. Delivered lumens from the system almost tripled while improving efficacy to over 125 lumens per watt. To give you an idea of the fitting's performance, the asymmetric wide beam distribution is now able to deliver 1 foot candle minimum on any pathway with 26-foot spacings. Most importantly, we were able to do all of this without raising the price. In August of 2018, BEGA launched wooden poles, providing architectural designers and urban planners with an opportunity to soften the built environment using natural materials of the highest quality. This addition to the BEGA portfolio was received incredibly well. Why wouldn't it be? Wood is a vibrant and emotional material that conveys comfort, warmth, and an affinity with nature. At the same time, wood boasts a high degree of durability. What was missing, as the market was quick to point out, was a complementary bollard, but not anymore. Designed for easy attachment to all BEGA system bollard heads, both round and square, and matching the full range of finish options of our wooden pole offering, we are pleased to announce wooden system bollard tubes are now available. And while we're talking about system bollards, we are also excited to share with you our new system bollard head, designed specifically to complement edge-lit solutions in the post-top segment of our portfolio. With almost 1,700 delivered lumens, not only is this reverse taper design beautiful and one of a kind, it's a performer too. You'll see here a summary of the bollard additions we've just covered, along with the price ranges so you can get a feel for where each might fit into your project's overall budget. The other thing I'd like to point out is that anytime you see the little case icon with an S in it, there are at least 5 sample cases of this product in your geographical area today. As a manufacturer that differentiates on quality, we haven't forgotten samples are one of the most powerful tools available when evaluating who you choose to specify. And we're doing everything possible to make samples easily accessible during these absolutely crazy times. For those of you that know us well, you're quite familiar with our sales and marketing team's desire to nickname fixtures. One of our favorites, the Martini, is perhaps the most successful product launch of the last 5 years and is characterized by its unique visual signature that appears in the clear acrylic once illuminated. It is unquestionably one of our more iconic looks and without a doubt the most copied by other manufacturers of late. That's all right. Imitation truly is the greatest form of flattery, and we'd like to think our attention to detail has yet to be replicated. Take this brand new light building element, for instance, where there's now a seamless transition from the luminaire itself through to the pole, all the way down to a direct burial installation, showing no anchorage or base cover. This probably is my favorite addition of the year. At $2,000 per assembly, we're not just setting the standard with design and quality, we are right in line with budget expectations for a high-end, pedestrian scale area lighting solution. I would also like to point out that while there are no samples of the light building element in your area, if ever you'd like to see the light engine in action, it would be very easy for us to send you the post-top version for evaluation. In June of 2019, we launched a new approach to recessed wall design in our rectangle family of fittings. With a refined look, increased light output, and contractor-friendly enhancements for ease of installation and quality assurance, BEGA's unwavering commitment to quality above all permeates everything about this new approach. A separate back housing, as you can see in the image to the bottom right of your screen, may be installed in a wide variety of wall construction types. Wire connections are then made in the back housing, and the luminaire is seated into place with 2 screws without the contractor ever having to open the factory sealed housing. Internal components of these luminaires are accessible for maintenance if necessary, but the sealed luminaire enables a quicker and more simple installation. Now available in rectangular, square, and round, in effect the entire range, BEGA's newest recessed wall luminaires now come in 2 pieces rather than 3, giving the design community many more choices while eliminating the possibility of most installation errors. Complementing the already popular linear facade system, which has been available for a few years now, BEGA's new in-ground and on-ground facade floodlights make it possible to fully illuminate any vertical surface from the ground up. Equally beautiful and effective, each approach offers a high degree of flexibility and disappear in application while providing a uniform wash of light over a building's facade. Starting with the on-grade luminaire to the left, the design makes it possible to fully illuminate a vertical surface, such as a building facade, from the ground level to the lower edge of the roof without the traditional scallop of a true in-grade solution. The minimal installation work required in comparison to recessed luminaires and the different mounting options reduce installation costs and offer a high degree of field flexibility. And with almost 4,200 delivered lumens, applicable for almost any facade. Moving to the 2 in-ground solutions to the right, this design is available in both a die-cast aluminum or cast bronze housing. Again, each of these in-grade facade floodlights make it possible to fully illuminate a vertical surface from the ground up to the edge of the roof without the usual scallop. These luminaires, however, are mounted in a recessed housing on a foundation that absorbs up to 2,200 pounds pressure load. They can be driven over by vehicles with pneumatic tires, but should not be used in areas where they are exposed to horizontal loads caused by braking, accelerating, and changes of direction. Last but not least, we want to address one of our biggest gaps in the architectural floodlighting line, the absence of a very narrow spot, which is now available in both sizes of our large-scale range of solutions. Perfect for accentuating a feature or a monument without spill light, the 5-degree spot is available up to 8,600 delivered lumens and 950,000 center beam candle power. If you'd like to see this impressive distribution in action, please reach out to your regional sales manager immediately, and we can have one on the way in short order. And with that, our overview of Catalog 21 highlights is concluded. If you're interested in more information on anything you've seen here, we invite you to check out our website, download a digital catalog, or browse our news post. And for those of us who still enjoy a printed copy, I count myself among them, please contact your local representative today. Catalogs are already in your market. As a reminder, all BEGA luminaires are backed by a 5-year warranty and a 20-year replacement promise for glass and electronic components. Details are available online, and extended warranties are available for purchase should your project require it. The products we've looked at today, in fact all of the products you'll find in BEGA's exterior Catalog 21, are available with 2700, 3000, 3500, and 4000 Kelvin correlated color temperatures. Many are also available with amber LEDs, which you can easily search for on our new website. And, launched just last year, all painted fittings come standard with BEGA's unsurpassed Unidur finish of fluoropolymer technology. Thanks again for your time today, for your partnership as always, and for your business during such an unprecedented time. Please be safe. We look forward to seeing you again, in person I might add, very soon. Take care.